All right, Flatbed Mechanic here again, and we got Dodge Caravan, and the horn is not working at all. So the system's, usually pretty simple. You would think you got a horn switch, closes a circuit, goes through a fuse circuit, turns the horn on. But on this particular one, it's got all kinds of weird stuff going on. It goes through the switch, through the cruise control buttons, into the instrument cluster. So we went ahead and read codes. I'm going to tell you guys what I found on this one. It's going to take to fix it, and a couple easy things you can do to check it. But we got a P2339 horn switch stuck. So what we're going to do next is going into here, into the live data. And let's go ahead, we're going to scroll down. It is going to show you the horn, because the first thing this passes through is the instrument cluster, and somehow it's tied into these cruise switches too. So it's going to go through here to the instrument cluster. Then it's going to go through the instrument cluster to the total integrated power module, which is the fuse box under the hood. So let's scroll down, see if we can find our horn. Yep, so right here, sound horn on lock. So it's been locked out because it thinks the horn button is been continuously pressed. So right now the horn doesn't work. So it thinks it's the horn's being pressed all the time. If its horn sounds for more than 45 seconds, it will completely lock the system out. So that's what happened here. So here's how you can find out if the horn's actually working. All you have to do is go out, disconnect your battery for 10 seconds, reconnect it. If that horn's working, it's going to start blaring. And if that's the case, and if the horn starts working and you're seeing this horn button stuck on, then chances are this little fella here, which you would never think, that's going to be your issue. Because right now it's sending a message to the instrument cluster saying that this horn button is being pressed. And this customer actually came in, he already replaced the clock spring. That did not fix his problem. Honestly, it actually caused more problems, because now his traction light is on because his steering angle sensor. So that didn't fix it. We're going to go with the cruise control button switch. It comes as a complete switch here. You got to pull your airbag out to replace that. But that should fix this. If you have these symptoms in that code, that should fix this. But an easy way to tell if the horn's actually working, just disconnect your battery, plug it back in. If it blows, then you know the system's working properly.